Ever find yourself staring at your books but your mind's running a marathon away from them? You are not alone. Staying motivated to study, especially when distractions are everywhere, can feel impossible. But what if I told you there are simple, science-backed ways to fire up your motivation and actually enjoy the process of studying? In this video, I am going to share 4 powerful self-motivation secrets that will help you to study smarter, stay focused, and actually get things done much faster. Let's level up your study game starting right now. Secret number 1. Always remember that someday you will need to show your report card to important people. Some of those will be admission authorities of institutions, your employer, your business partner, your life partner, and your children. Imagine how you would feel before them if your grades or marks were low. Uncomfortable, right? How about your chance of clearing that interview? Slim. And how motivating would it be for your children once you were a parent? Unmotivating, exactly. So what must you choose now? Only top success. Yes, only top success in your studies. Don't worry, you can make it. This is a simple job for that supercomputer, which is your brain. All you need to do is use the secrets in this video. Secret number 2. Make a list of all the things and benefits you will lose if you have poor grades or marks. Many students do not realize the magnitude of their loss when they study poorly. This list will be an eye-opener. To prepare this list, use any diary or notebook and write down the losses you will suffer if you get poor grades. Here are 6 examples of such losses to drive home the point. Loss of confidence and self-esteem, little respect in society because people love and respect only winners. Low income, stressful life, poor and lower middle class lifestyle, marriage to an ordinary boy or a plain Jane. Many who neglected studies in their teens are now living a life of frustration. To confirm this, just consider your relatives and friends. You will be surprised at what you find. So take a conscious decision right now not to live such a low quality life and aim for absolute success in studies. Shoulder the responsibility of creating the future you will enjoy. Remember, only you can control your future. Secret number 3. List the multiple advantages of studying well and obtaining good grades. We all love to do things that ensure benefits and advantages. You will be more interested in studies if you are aware of the huge advantages you will enjoy if you study well. So if you hate studies or begin to feel bored, just read this list of advantages. Your hatred or boredom will evaporate and your mind will be charged to study more. These are 5 illustrative benefits of studying well. Write them, then note down other benefits you can obtain by studying well. Greater confidence, higher self-esteem, better career or business opportunities, happy parents and teachers, eligibility for scholarships and other awards. List more benefits that are important to you. For example, visiting beautiful places, owning a car, living in a luxurious bungalow, etc. etc. Secret number 4. Meet people who have completed their education with good grades and are now enjoying their dream career or lifestyle. Such meetings will make you learn for success. You will also feel the desire to study well and enjoy life like them. Ask them relevant questions like what qualifications and skills must you acquire to become like them or to enter and succeed in their field. How did they prepare for their exams? By the time you completed your education, will there still be demand in their field? Are they enjoying their career and profession? How is their personal life now? Do they find enough leisure time with family and friends? So there you have it. 4 self-motivation secrets that can completely change the way you study. Remember, motivation isn't something you wait for, it's something you create. If any of these tips helped you or gave you that spark to get started, drop motivated in the comments and let me know which one you like the most. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that bell so you never miss more tips to unlock your best self. You got this. Now go crush those goals. All the best.